Wait, don't let him get to the
This is their worst player.
Get...
They're on top of she's towards A. Oh, easy.
No! Why?
Oh, it's just time to play Clash of Clans. Look at this whole setup.
Oh,
Last round is last round, who cares?
oh yeah,
Wow.
it's last round. Alright, 6-6. And now we're defense.
No,
Which
we're
historically-
not attack. Or...
Ah, shit.
Are you, bruh?
Oh my god!
Paying attention.
No, listen. You guys are on this side of the map, so I thought you were on attack. It was a
Defending for 12 rounds.
Hey, listen, bro, listen. I meant the other way around. Either way, my point still stands. Attacker, we've historically been better. So, suck my dick and balls. How about that?
Didn't we lose the last
Shut your
game?
bitch
Because
ass
we were
up.
attacking?
We lost on defense.
You got it.
Bro, just you should have ran at her when you had the
You have
chance.
a wall.
Oh,
There's so much fucking shit happening, bro.
just gotta push together. To your right, you hear her. You hear him.
Oh.
No,
God, why are we playing Bring Around the Rosie? Why are we doing goddamn parkour in this freaking... Ah!
Same.
Oh. You can rotate, but
Yeah,
I'm
we
already
should
here.
rotate.
Spike down A.
Oh no. You're honestly. Leon, Adderall? What's going on, man?
As you guys are
It's
talking about
hyper.
rotating to another side. Oh my god, dude, I love this game, bro.
Can someone
Buy me. Aaron! I gave him this fucking game. Go get this mic! Yo, this mic, bro! Bro!
He's
Wait,
gone
up there!
Heal
Guys,
me,
turn around!
heal me, heal. Thank you.
It's working, guys.
Working.
Comms are working. Just go out laughing, bro.
I have this fight?
Why are you still going A? I mean B.
Love you,
Why are you still going B?
Don't worry about it, man.
Bro.
Don't worry about it.
Last player
Why?
standing.
Don't worry about what? Don't worry about what, huh?
bro, they're good, guys. They were
Loving on, loving on. Hey, look at that.
Whoever said go B is a dumbass!
Jesus.
What do you expect us to go A now?
I don't care! They can expect to get shot in the head! Can someone kill the bitch? Can someone please? Can someone who is going on the right side please
Can you
kill
wallbang
the
it?
bitch?
Can you just wallbang this?
She
Please?
pushed her there.
Please, bruh. Ha!
Yeah,
The more I speak, the more we win.
Yeah, no, I love this. Let's keep this going.
Don't get hit by up! Dodged it! Dodged it! Get dodged, Goofy!
Chloe, breathe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can't even jump on the box.
Kill that jet! Kill her ass! Kill her cheeks!
Dude, 70.
Spike down A.
I don't have the spike! I'm doing parkour, don't worry about it!
Wall it off, use your wall,
No.
That's the worst wall I've ever done in my life!
I fucking Matrix.
I got you, baby! I got you!
Oh, heaven.
Wait, together. Together!
Alright!
That's not
Oh,
together!
Aaron.
Stay
I don't know what to
together!
Shut.
She dropped down!
Now
Oh
I
my
leave.
God,
Now I
yeah.
leave side.
No,
Now I
no,
leave
you
side.
don't. No,
Now I
stop.
leave.
Bro.
Go, God, please.
Nah, he's got 45 seconds. Oh my god.
God damn it!
Dude, just
I can't hit a shot!